I'm like, well, hold on. They're doing it from home on Zoom because they're relaxed at home. And that's where their Lego is. Like I went and looked at my son's Lego and it looks a bit like this. Okay, like you tried driving that somewhere, but it's like our kids don't want to drive somewhere. Our kids want to be at home. So Christos, how do you make it collaborative when we're at home in front of our Zoom screen making little spaceships? How do you do that?
Well, like you said, Michael, the first thing is I just want to mention like being in your own safe space at home, fantastic. Who doesn't want to be in their own room or, in their own lounge room while they're partaking in these activities? And how do we make it collaborative? Well, the whole time you are in a group with other people and you'll be with a leader who might be asking some questions about a situation or a social skill and might be trying to generate a bit of discussion between the kids, whether it's with some show and tell of something they've built or just something that comes up between the kids. So there'll be many opportunities for kids to jump into each other's conversations or just to bring something up when they feel comfortable.
That's really cool. I get so excited by this style of program because obviously like if you do speech or psych or OT, it's one-on-one, an adult with a child. It's very top down. It's very like
Yeah,
kids with autism generally after a couple of weeks, they're going to start to dig their heels in. And obviously there's ways around that. And there's so much benefit in psych, OT and speech, so much, but our kids don't always get that benefit if they've shut down. Whereas, like,
exactly.
yeah, but while you're playing with Lego, you've let your guard down, you know, I love that.